Welcome back, fellow construction enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the most innovative and game-changing construction technologies that are poised to reshape our world in the years to come. From materials that repair themselves to robots that build skyscrapers, the future of construction is nothing short of extraordinary. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the top 10 advancements that could take the construction industry by storm. Let's kick things off with 3D printing construction, a revolutionary method that's turning traditional building practices upside down. Imagine a world where entire homes, bridges, and even entire communities can be printed layer by layer using a giant robotic arm and specialized concrete or other building materials. This technology isn't just a pipe dream. It's already being used to construct everything from small shelters to large-scale structures with unparalleled speed, precision, and cost-effectiveness. By eliminating the need for traditional formwork and reducing waste, 3D printing is ushering in a new era of sustainable construction that's as exciting as it is groundbreaking. Next up, we have self-healing concrete, a material that sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but is very much a reality. By incorporating bacteria or other agents into the concrete mix, this remarkable material has the ability to repair cracks and other damage on its own, without the need for costly repairs or maintenance. Just imagine a world where roads, bridges, and buildings can heal themselves over time, extending their lifespan and reducing the need for constant upkeep. It's a game changer for the construction industry and a testament to the power of innovation. Now let's take to the skies with drone construction, an innovation that's revolutionizing the way we plan, monitor, and execute construction projects. Equipped with advanced sensors and software, drones can survey construction sites with unparalleled accuracy, gather data in real time, and even assist in tasks like site inspection, materials delivery, and aerial mapping. With drones on the job, construction projects are becoming safer, more efficient, and more cost-effective than ever before. Plus, they provide a whole new perspective on the construction process, allowing builders and designers to visualize their projects from above and make informed decisions along the way. Say goodbye to traditional building methods and hello to modular construction, the future of building. Instead of constructing buildings piece by piece on-site, modular construction involves prefabricating individual modules or components in a factory-controlled environment, then assembling them on-site like giant Lego blocks. This approach not only speeds up construction timelines, but also allows for greater precision, quality control, and cost-effectiveness. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, allowing for endless customization and adaptability to different project requirements. From affordable housing to high-rise towers, modular construction is changing the game and redefining the way we think about building. Get ready to see through walls with transparent aluminum, a material that's as strong as steel, but as clear as glass. By combining aluminum with transparent ceramics, researchers have created a material that's not only incredibly durable, but also highly transparent, allowing natural light to flood into buildings while providing unmatched strength and security. From futuristic skyscrapers to sleek, modern facades, transparent aluminum opens up a world of design possibilities and blurs the line between architecture and art. It's a truly revolutionary material that's sure to leave a lasting impact on the construction industry. Prepare to enter the world of the incredibly small with nanotechnology in construction, a field that's unlocking new possibilities for building materials and techniques. By manipulating materials at the nanoscale, researchers can enhance their properties in ways previously thought impossible, from making concrete stronger and more durable to creating self-cleaning surfaces that repel dirt and grime. Nanotechnology is also being used to develop advanced coatings and composites that can withstand extreme weather conditions, seismic activity, and other environmental challenges. It's a game changer for the construction industry and a testament to the power of innovation on the smallest scale. Step into the future with augmented reality, AR, in construction, an innovation that's revolutionizing the way we design, plan, and build. With AR technology, builders and designers can overlay digital information onto the physical world, allowing them to visualize projects in 3D, identify potential issues, and make real-time adjustments, all without ever leaving the construction site. From immersive design presentations to on-site guidance and training, AR is transforming the way we approach construction projects and providing a whole new level of insight and understanding. It's like having X-ray vision for the built environment, and it's changing the game in more ways than we can imagine. Meet the construction workers of tomorrow, advanced robotics. These cutting-edge machines aren't just limited to factory floors. They're also making their mark on construction sites around the world. From robotic arms that can 3D print entire buildings to autonomous vehicles that can haul materials and equipment with precision, advanced robotics are streamlining processes, improving safety, and redefining the role of human workers in the construction industry. With robots on the job, construction projects are becoming faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective than ever before, paving the way for a future where man and machine work together seamlessly to build a better world. Say goodbye to traditional plastics and hello to bioplastics, a sustainable alternative made from renewable sources like corn, sugarcane, and algae. Unlike conventional plastics, which are derived from fossil fuels and can take centuries to decompose, bioplastics are biodegradable and compostable, making them an environmentally friendly choice for a wide range of applications. From construction materials to packaging and beyond, bioplastics are helping to reduce our reliance on finite resources and minimize the environmental impact of our built environment. It's a small change that's making a big difference, and it's paving the way for a more sustainable future for generations to come. Last, but certainly not least, we have carbon capture technology, an innovative solution to one of the greatest challenges facing our planet today. By capturing and storing carbon emissions from industrial processes, we can mitigate their impact on the environment and even repurpose them to create valuable building materials like carbon-negative concrete. It's a win-win solution that not only helps to combat climate change, but also offers a sustainable alternative to traditional construction materials. With carbon capture technology, we have the power to build a brighter, more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations, one brick at a time. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 construction technologies set to rock the world in the coming years. From 3D printing marbles to capturing carbon emissions, these innovations are rewriting the blueprint of our future. But hold up, why hit pause on this excitement train now? Let's crank up the volume and dive even deeper into these mind-bending breakthroughs with us. Subscribe to our channel and join the squad of forward thinkers and trendsetters. Together, let's ride the wave of discovery and unlock the secrets of tomorrow's construction world. Because why settle for a mere glimpse when you could be part of the action? So smash that subscribe button, drop us a like, and ring the bell to stay in the loop. Keep the dreams big, the builds bold, and let's keep the cool vibes flowing as we explore the cutting edge of construction tech. Catch you on the flip side in our next epic adventure.